Welcome dear creatives. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a crinoline fascinator, three-layered crinoline fascinator. I've made the two bases, two layers first. Watch how I made them. Now I used 32 inches of the big size crinoline, 25 inches and 28 inches. So what I'm doing now is to gather the end of my crinoline, crinoline frills. So I'll gather the two ends and then I'm going to drag the thread. There's this thread that comes with crinoline, although sometimes it can cut, but you try and use it first. If it doesn't work out, you cut it off and then use your needle and thread. So I'm looking for the thread now and I'm going to pull. Pop! It has cut. Yours might not cut. So now I'm going to look for the other end, the thread at the other end. I'll pull. Let's just pray it does not cut. So I'm going to pull now. Yeah, and I'm pulling, hoping it does not cut. Pum, 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 pum. I pray it doesn't cut. Pum! It has cut. Okay, so now I'm going to just use my needle and thread just in case your thread cuts. The thread that is attached to your crinoline. Feel free to use your needle and thread the way I'm doing. So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. So watch carefully and see how I'm folding the other side in to get to the gathered part, okay? So just watch how I'm folding it in, and as I fold in some portion, I will stitch, like tack it down with my needle and thread. I'll keep doing this until I've folded every part that needs to be folded. So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. The next thing I'm going to do now is to start arranging them based on their sizes. Like I told you, I have the big, the medium, and the small size because I have 32 inches, 25 inches, and 28 inches. Feel free to arrange how you want to, but this is how I'm arranging mine. Okay, so after arranging, you now tack them. As you can see, I'm trying to hide the part that has our tip, the tip of the crinoline. I'm trying to hide it in between them. Can you see? So now I'm going to tack them together. Okay? Keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. So what I'm going to do now is to attach my two-in-one rows onto my three-layer base of my crinoline fascinator. So once I attach that, I'll use my needle and thread to make sure that it is very firm on the base. So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. So the next thing I'm going to do is to attach my Alice band onto my fascinator. Can you see how beautiful it is? Try out yours. I would love to see it. You can contact me through the number showing on your screen right now. So I'll stitch until my Alice band is very firm on my fascinator. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? You're missing out. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on my weekly DIY videos. Also feel free to share this video so others can learn. So the next thing I'm going to do is to cover up this part of my Alice band I stitched, and that will be all.